Making a basic vinaigrette should be one of those kitchen skills you've got in your back pocket. It's simple, everyone should know how to do it, and as long as you have a basic understanding of how oil and vinegar work together, you really don't even need a recipe. So let's jump into it. The two components for any vinaigrette are oil and vinegar. And the most important thing you need to know here is the ratio. This is one of the first things I learned in culinary school, but it's 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. Now you can use a variety of different oils, whether it's an almond oil or a coconut oil, maybe a walnut oil, and a variety of different vinegars, everything from sherry vinegar to red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar. The one vinegar I don't like using in vinaigrettes is a white vinegar, but other than that, the sky's the limit. And beyond vinegar, you could also use citrus juices, whether it's lemon juice, lime juice, or orange juice. You just want an acid to work with. I always like to start my seasoning with a pinch of salt, always kosher salt, and some cracked black pepper. Next, mustard is a great way to flavor your vinaigrette, and also it helps to emulsify it as well. Another great thing to use are some fresh herbs. Today I'm going to use chives to add a nice oniony flavor, but you could add anything from fresh thyme, rosemary, even Italian parsley. Beyond fresh herbs, think of other really great ingredients like a minced shallot or maybe some grated garlic in a vinaigrette. Those ingredients will pack big flavor into your vinaigrette. Finally, if you like a little bit of sweetness in your vinaigrette, you can add some honey or agave or even just a pinch of sugar. Once you have your vinegar and all of your seasoning, that's when the oil comes in. You'll want to drizzle the oil in a steady stream to help create an emulsion if you're making a vinaigrette the old-fashioned way with a bowl and a whisk. Or you can make a vinaigrette a little faster. You can put everything into a mason jar, give it a really good shake, and that agitation will cause the vinaigrette to emulsify. Or you can also use a simple food processor. Add all those ingredients in, give it a whirl, and it should come together beautifully. So there you have it. You can make it the good old-fashioned way with a whisk and a bowl, or you could use a mason jar or a food processor, but pretty much everything else stays the same. That classic ratio of 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, a few exciting seasonings, and you've got a delicious vinaigrette.